Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. One other important aspect of defense which I would like to place before the house is about the border areas. Stop. The security of the country is largely reflected on the security of the border areas. How we protect them. Stop. The lengthy mountainous terrain from Ladakh to Nepal is of permanent significance to India's defense. Stop. The government, I am sorry to say, has not employed adequate mountain divisions in those hilly areas to cope up with our defense of the borders. Stop. If there is a sudden conflagration in those areas, we might be exposed to the danger of an attack by the enemy. Stop. So, mountain divisions should be increasingly employed in the border areas, particularly in the north, northwest, and northeast. Stop. Guerrilla warfare technique is at a low ebb with reference to our Indian armed forces. Stop. It should be developed and intensified. Stop. There is a slackening of progress I find in the armed forces with particular reference to guerrilla warfare. Stop. The Defense Ministry should insist on a disciplined nationality in the border areas, fomented and maintained with vigor, vitality, and vigilance. Stop. The safety of the nation, everyone will agree with me, is our prime concern. Stop. The defense and home ministries have not coordinated their activities with reference to the quelling of fifth column activities in the border areas of the country, and I do hope that in quelling this no quarter will be given to legalistic quibblings. Stop. Sir, when I speak about the border areas, I would like to mention the importance of the helicopter fleet that we keep for our defense measures in the border areas. Stop. I am sorry to say that the government's helicopter fleet is appallingly poor. Stop. The vast and distant terrain of the hilly regions in the northern border particularly necessitates the employment of an efficient helicopter fleet. Stop. This is a vital organ not only with reference to airborne supplies but in critical times it will also help in the defense personnel being transshipped in the quickest possible time from one place to another. Stop. I am saying this because I had been a member of the parliamentary delegation that visited the border areas. Stop. I found the morale of the Javans in those areas very high, and I would like to take the opportunity of paying my tribute to the Javans who are in that hilly region is an ice cold region discharging their duties to the country with great patriotism and devotion to their work. Stop. Sir, I would like to say a word about defense science. Without defense science, no country can have a successful defense policy. Stop. In India today, the Honorable Home Minister knows that there are 37 defense science laboratories with a director for each of them, but there is no coordination between them. Stop. They receive border not from a scientific expert sitting in judgment over them or controlling them, but from the defense ministry officials who are often unqualified to give such orders to the directors of the defense laboratories without approval. Stop.